Hello YouTubers, how you doing? How is everybody doing with the pandemic? Hope everyone is safe and healthy. We are here, me and Jason, with another episode. We've been busy for the last few weeks, too busy with our work and everything. But today we have an opportunity to film one very quick video just to show you one of the modes that we're adding to this beauty. All right.
There isn't much to speak. I mean, we're just going to talk about the.
So what are we adding, Jason?
So set of CNC Racing, Primac Racing rear sets, fully adjustable. The good thing about these rear sets are you can adjust them here, and also adjust the peg here. So shouldn't be too hard. The biggest thing about these that you have to be aware of when buying a CNC Racing rear sets is most of them have. Did you open this already?
Yeah.
So
it's open. It's open.
There's tape on it.
No, it's not.
Oh. Yeah, there is. Anyways, the biggest thing that you need to pay attention to is this part. These CNC Racing rear sets require you to change the sensor type. On the stock bike, it's a push button sensor for the brake lights. This is a pressure sensor for the brake lights. So the difference is when you push the lever down, it builds up pressure in the line, which pushes a little button inside here to turn on your brake lights. So please be aware of that when you do decide to do some of these rear sets. You have to make sure to bleed your brakes as well afterwards, your rear brakes. But other than that, that's it.
All right, let's get going.
Well, that's kind of difficult. I'll try it this way first then, because I don't want to strip that bolt. That's easy. So I'll try hanging it down first. So they do give new bolts for this too, right?
Yeah.
So. How does it already get shit on me? I didn't want it to get on my carpet. What is this?
The carbon.
Okay, let me use. Oh, nice. That's gonna be way nice. They need to. When people do it, they need to make sure the grease is in there on the bolt.
Okay. Why is it important?
Grease, so it doesn't, so it
crack.
Yeah, well. So we'll tighten this down later. So the difference is. You can see this bolt. What you could do too later is go online and buy black.
Yep.
And put it here. So I mean, so we could use this, or we could use that one. And the difference, if you notice,
yeah,
it's smaller.
Yeah.
So you can't get as much torque. So it's up to you if you want to keep this.
I keep that. It's fine.
Okay. So in that case, I'll go with the shorter ones. This one. And this one. So we need to decide where you want your step to be. Honestly, that looks good. We're gonna put it right there. I'll tighten this and not grease it is because it's aluminum on aluminum.
So Loctite is just to lock them in.
Yep. After I'm done, I'll tighten everything down. So there we go. Then the next step, you can measure, right, where you want it, and you can move it like this. So then this needs a little thing like this, goes in there, and then it needs a little nut, which actually I think it needs a spacer too. And I think that's it. So the annoying part about this is you have to put this as well. Wait, there's one, two, here's 1, 2, oh, there it is, 3. Okay, so the long one, let me see something really quick, because they gave the right amount of parts, no extras, which is good. So first, and this is what's stupid about this, is first, before you do anything, you have to put the bolt in here, which would be this one, like that. Then this on here. If I can get it to turn. And we could Loctite it, but I think this turns. See? But if you want to Loctite it, we can, but I don't think it really needs it. So after we get this piece tight, see, because you can't tighten it while it's on there, which is what's so stupid about this design. Anyways, we'll tighten it first here. Oh, it is the small one. I had it right the first time. It is the shorter one, not the long one. Our fingers today, man. So and what's dumb is you can't adjust it while it's on.
But did you tighten it off?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
Because, look. So once you put it in there, unless you could do it through here, I guess. Yeah, okay. So that's what I'll do. Then we put this back through. Put this back through. So there we go. Just like that. Like this. And then GP shift right there.
Nice.
And then that's it. And then the last thing that we need to do as well is this, which you want it in the low or the high?
The lower.
The lower for now. I can put Loctite on it because it's not like it's permanent. Go, then right here, like this size. So we want it to go the angle of your foot, which would be about right there. So since your foot sits this way, we put it at that angle, right? Right. Now that I got it here, I'm gonna make it tight. Okay, I think that's good enough. Just to double check it one more time. Okay, I don't want it coming loose. Okay, so that's that. Because I doubt this is gonna go. Yeah, you need one longer than this, which, oops, this is the same. So what we'll probably need to do, because it needs to be able to connect
to the bottom, right?
Right here. So it's got to be pretty long. So we're going to have to use this one here with this little extension thing. Here and here. Right? And then it'll reach. Boom. And then on here, we need to have adjustment nuts to put on here, which I think they probably gave us.
What is this?
Huh?
What is this?
Fucking putting trash in my mailbox. I wonder if they noticed that nobody fucking wants that shit at all.
No, they didn't notice.
Never need it, dude. All right, now. Yeah, okay, so let's put one here. One here. That's the only thing I don't like about my area is just so many people walking by my house here. This road is such a busy road for, you know, people who are walking. So I can adjust this later. I just want to get enough bite on it. Like that. And then it's going to go here. It's kind of high, I feel like. So I'm going to make it a little bit longer. Of course, we won't know how high it is until you get on the bike and try it. And then I need this bolt to come out of here.